Hello building fans, it's Pablo here from Building with Pablo, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a Lego set that I bought last year. And I know many of you might be thinking right now, why am I making this video if it's already a year ago? But I still want to make this video of the set that I bought at Costco, originally priced at $70, but I purchased for $53 because it was at discount price. And the reason why I think it was at discount price was because it was a time of year that Lego sets retire. And the set that I bought was Lego Creator 3-in-1 for ages 9 and up. It's set number 31108, titled Caravan Family Holiday. $766 pieces are included in this set, and it's a building toy, as you can tell already. The set includes a trailer, a vehicle, and a depiction of a family camping, along with some animals. To the side, it shows some suggestions of alternative builds, but this is the main build. Now I'm going to be showing you the top of the box, which has the alternative builds again. And the actual size of a piece for scale. On the back, it has some scenes of the play functions that this set has. And the price that I bought this set for again. Now I'm going to be showing you an unboxing, a speed build, and review for the set. So now enjoy the rest of this video. Here, I'm about to finish the first build animal, which is a beaver. Here is a red kayak with a yellow paddle. Here is a green pine tree with a red and blue bird. Here is a picnic table with some accessories and a fishing rod. And here we have our first vehicle, which has a blue and white color scheme. I'm finishing building the trailer, which has lots of household accessories and colors. I have finished building everything that was included in the set, which includes the beaver, the kayak with the paddle, the picnic table, the pine tree with the bird, the car, and the trailer. This was everything for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, keep building.